Good day students, today we will discuss about division on large numbers. Division on large numbers. Before going to discuss about the division on large numbers, I want to revise certain rules of division. Certain rules of division. Let's discuss. A number divided by 1 gives the quotient equal to the number itself. A number divided by 1 gives the quotient equal to the number itself. Let's take an example. If we divide 8 by 1, it will give the quotient 8. Then the second, a number divided by itself gives the quotient equal to 1. A number divided by itself gives the quotient equal to 1. A number divided by itself gives the quotient equal to 1. Let's take an example. If you divide 16 by 16, it will give the quotient 1. Then rule 3, 0 divided by a number gives the quotient equal to 0. 0 divided by a number gives the quotient equal to 0. Let's take an example. 0 divided by 6 equal to 0. 0 divided by a number gives the quotient equal to 0. Then 4. You know, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let's take an example. If you divide 33 by 3, what will be the quotient? Let's divide. 3 1 is 3, then bring down 3, 3 1 is 3, subtract 3 from 3, it is 0. This is dividend. This is divisor. This is quotient. And this is remainder. Let's prove. I told that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then here the dividend equal to 33. 33 equal to divisor 3 into quotient 11 plus remainder 0 equal to 33. Then we have to discuss the division on large numbers. Let's take an example. Divide 36,98,752 by 144. Let's write down the dividend. 36,98,752. Write down the divisor. 144. Then what will be the quotient? What should you write here? This is a 3-digit number and this is a 7-digit number. Let's take 3-digit number. This is 369 and the divisor is 144. The divisor is less than 369. Then divide 369 by 144. Then if we see, this is a 3-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. In the hundred place it is 3 and here is 1. If we try for 3, 144 into 3, 3 into 1, 3, but it may be larger. than the 369 or lesser than the 369. Try it. 3 4 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13, then 1 carry, 3 1 ja 3, then 4. It is 432, which is greater than 369. That's why write down here 2 and try for 2. 144 into 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. It is lesser than 369 and nearer to the 369. We have to find out the number is lesser than or equal to and nearest to the this number. See, 288 is lesser than and nearer to 369. That's why write down here 288. Then subtract 8 from 9, it is 1. Then subtract 8 from 6, it is greater from 6. That's why borrow 1 from 100 place. That's why it is 100. 100 equal to 10 10, 10 10, and this is 6 10. This is 16 10. Then 16 10 subtract 8 10 from 16 10, it is 8. Then bring down 8 and write down here. Now it is 818. Then try for, if you try for 8, it will larger than 818. That's why try for 7. 144 7. Seven 4 ja 28, then 2 carry, 7 4 ja 28, it is 30, then 3 carry, then 7 1 ja 7, it also larger than 818. Let's try for 6. 144 6, 6 4 ja 24, then 2 is carry, and 6 4 ja 24, then add 2, it is 26, then 2 is carry, 6 1 ja 6 plus 2 8. It is also greater than 1818. Let's try for 5. 5 4 ja 20, then 2, 5 4 ja 20 plus 2 22, then 2, 5 1 ja 5 plus 2. It is lesser than and nearer to 818. That's why write down here 5 and here 720. Then subtract 8, then 11, subtract 2 from 11, it is 9. Then bring down 7, it is 987, which is greater than 144. Then divide 987 by 144. Let's see. If we try for 7, then 14 sevens are 98. If we multiply with 7, it may be larger than 987. Then try for 6. See here, it is 1864, which is lesser than and nearer to 987. Write down 6 in the quotient. then 864 here and subtract 3, then subtract 6 from 8, it is 2, then subtract 8 from 9, it is 1. 123, then bring down 5, it is 1235. Let's see, if we try for 7, it is 1008. Let's try for 8. 8 4 ja 32, then 3 carry 8 4 ja 32 plus 3 5, then 3 carry 8 1 ja 8 plus 3 11. It is lesser and nearer to the 1235. That's why I write down 8 here and 1152 here. Then subtract, this is 3, then borrow 1 from here, then 100 equal to 10 10, 10 10 plus 3 10 equal to 13 10, subtract 5 10 from 13 10, it is 8, then bring down 2, it is 832, which is greater than 144. Now divide 832 by 144. If we multiply 5 with 14, 5 are 70, then 14 6 are 84, which if we multiply 144 with 6, the number which will come will be greater than 1832. That's why try for 5. See here, this is 720, which is lesser than and nearer equal to 832. That's why I write down 5 here and 720 below the 832 and subtract 2. Subtract 2 from 3, it is 1, and subtract 7 from 8, it is 1. 112 is lesser than 144. Our division is completed. Here this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. And this is dividend. I think you have all math book with you. That's why you have to do the exercise 8, division on large numbers.